Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel. Today we are going to start our English class. Our aim is to develop our student to speak in English. Hello guys, now we can see this is Mr Nafis and he will describe about his next door neighbor.
Hello guys, good evening. I am Nafis. Now I am telling about my neighbor. Actually the word neighbor means is a person who lives in a house near another. My neighbor is really good. We have friendly relationship with all our neighbors. We help and cover each other in our needs. Sometimes we share joy and sorrows each other. When we are in danger, our all neighbors come to our help. I think all of us should try to be good neighbors and help each other in all possible ways. And that's all. Bye.
Actually, they are learning spoken English course. In the very beginning, they are trying to speak English. Please take it easy, and I think in future they will be able to speak in English. Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Bye bye.